Good morning, Winston-Salem. Good morning, family. Good morning, friends. What it is, what it was, what it shall be. This is Joe the Farmer, Farmer Joe, coming to you this morning to give you an update on the fall garden planting. A lot of you may not know that there are plenty of vegetables that you can plant in the fall that you'll be able to harvest. Some of them will be harvesting in the spring next year. But I wanted to give you an update on those and let you know what we're doing. So let me turn my camera around so you can see what I planted yesterday. Now, over here, this little sprout right here is carrots. These carrots, and these are beets. So I've got several carrots here. All of these around here, these are all beets. Some of the seeds actually got scattered when I was planting. So we got a lot of beets we're going to have, guys. But I picked up some vegetables yesterday. What we got here is cabbage. So we got cabbage here, here, and here. Over here, we actually have leaf lettuce. So I just planted these yesterday, and I've got some onions right over in here, more leaf lettuce, and then right here what I've got is some purple kale. And let me always show you what's going on with the rest of the garden. The cherry tomatoes are still producing. I have pruned these considerably, and that has really got them to start shooting out and starting to ripen. What we did notice was that with the intense heat that we had this summer, my regular tomatoes, they've been sitting on these in here, been green for weeks. But as soon as the weather changed and it started cooling off, you can see now that they are starting to ripen. And we will be able to harvest some of these. I've still got my collard greens here. We're going to be harvesting these some today. Type of vegetables and fruits if you want to do fruits. We all know that the cost of food has just become ridiculous. And when I was growing up, everybody had a garden of some type. So again, just wanted to give you an update on everything and let you know what we're doing here out here in the garden. And one more thing I want to share with you. As you can see over here, my neighbor's yard has been cut down. I talked with the owner, and he is going to allow me to use this back lot. So we're going to be expanding the garden all the way over into this area. I'm going to be taking some of this fencing down and creating a gate where I can get through here. And again, you can see I still got plenty of yard. Eventually this entire yard will be a field. You know, that's where I did some, that's a bunch of just grass and stuff. When I went over here and tilled the ground over here where I planted these vegetables, I had to clear out some of that because the weeds had kind of grown up and I was a little delinquent on weeding, so I had to do quite a bit of tilling to get all of that up. So I just threw it out in the yard. But again, guys, I appreciate everybody who has supported us and has been giving us well wishes. We really appreciate everybody who has come in with us. And if you haven't already done so, go over to Bountiful Harvest, our YouTube channel. And if you haven't already done so, please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell when we upload new videos. I appreciate all of you. We love you. And we'll see you in the next video. Later.